Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. Take a healthy food and take care of yourself. Students, today is Wednesday, 13th January 2021. It's your maths period and today our topic is number in words. It's jumbled from 800 to 900. So open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Students, open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Star margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write classwork. It's Wednesday, 13th January, 2021. Our topic is number in words jumbled from 801 to 900. Underline both topic and subtopic with color. After that, write 100, tens and ones. First of all, write 801. Look at this. It's 8 is in 800 columns. In the tens column it's 0 and in the ones column it is 1. So it becomes 801. Now we write it in words. It's 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, A-N-D-N, O-N-E, 1, 801. Next is 817. 1 is in tens column and 7 is in ones column. So it becomes 17. 817. Now write it in words. It's 817. Students, revise 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-W-E-N. Teen. It's 17. Next is 825. It's 800 and T-W-E-N-T-Y-T 20 F-I-V-E 5. It's 825. Next is 834. 3 tens and 4 ones becomes 34. 834. T-H-I-R 30 T-Y-T 30 F-O-U-R 4. It's 834. Next is 840. F-O 40 40. 40 4 tens 40 and 0 ones it's 0. So 440. Now it's 840. F-O-R-T-Y-T 40. Next is 852. 852. 5 tens means 50 and 2 ones it's 52. 852. F-I-F-T-Y-T 50. T-W-O 2. It's 52. Next is 863. 863. S-I-X-T-Y-T 60. T-H-R-E-E 3. It's 63. 863. Next is 879. 7 is in tens column and 9 is ones column. So it becomes 7 tens means 70 and 9 ones 79. 879. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y-T 70 N-I-N-E 9. It's 879. Next is 886. 886. It's E-I-G-H-T-Y-T 80 S-I-X 6. It's 886. Next is 892. 892. 892. N-I-N-E 9 T-Y-T 90 T-W-O 2. 892. Next is it's 900. N-I-N-E 9 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. It's 900. So as you will write these number in words on your notebooks in a very neat handwriting and also learn it. Students, now open your countdown books. It's page number 162. Write classwork and shorted, that is 13th January 2021. Topic is plane and curved faces. Look carefully at these objects. They are things we see around us every day. Do they have plane faces, curved faces, or both plane and curved faces? Look at these objects. It's rubber, glass, egg, dice, water bottle, party hat, rolling pin, sharpener, beads, 5 rupee coins, juice and grapes. Now the question is, now put the objects in the correct column. Look at these objects and you have to write it in the correct column. In the first column you have to write those objects which have only plain faces, and in the next column you have to write the names of those objects which have curved faces, and in the next column you have to write the names of those objects which have both plain and curved faces. Now look at the first object. It is rubber. Which face it has? It has only plain face, so we write it in the first column. We write here it's rubber, R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. And the next object is it's glass. Which shape is this? It has both plain and the curved face, so we write it in the third column. It's both plain and curved face. We write here glass. Next shape is this egg. Which shape is this? It's a curved face only. It's only curved face, sphere face. So we write here egg. Next, which shape is this? It's dice. It is plain face only, and it is also written in the plain face column. Now look at the next object. It is water bottle. It has both plain and the curved face, so we write it in the third column. Next is party hat. It's just curved face, so we write it in this column. Next is rolling pin. It's both plain and the curved face, Next is sharpener. It's only plain face. Next is beads. It's only curved face only. It has only curved face. 5 rupee coin. It's both plain and the curved face. Next is juice. It's plain face only. And the last one is grapes. It's only curved face. So you have to write these things in the correct columns. So do page number 162 on your countdown books. It is last page of our syllabus. Our syllabus has finished. Do your work in a neat handwriting and also learn definitions of solid shapes. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.